everyone, it's Amanda with Americana Gardens, and let me get through this. Huge hydrangea. So the last video I did was about fall shrubs and perennials that are top-notch in my garden right now, and I was like, maybe I should do the annuals. So right now, recording this, it is October 10th, 11th, I forget. But anyway, our first frost date is usually October 15th. But right now, I'm gonna show you some of the annuals that are in fall glory. So right here, I actually have an annual pot, and this is a salvia. Look how beautiful and pink that is. I mean, pink is usually not a fall color, but I have other salvias that are more of like a dark blue, purple. But yeah, these these did okay. These did okay. And right behind it, coleus. Look at that. So I have 3 different coleuses in here. Oh, this one got a little eaten up. But you know what? They did have a few nights of cold. Okay, they really did, but not freezing temperatures. But here's like some different coleuses here. I love this one. This one did very well. Very happy with this one. This one doesn't seem too attacked by bugs either. And then I also have this other one here with the ruffly leaves. Another pink one. That was a great combination. And I have this colocasia back there. Now, some of you might know that I'm really into houseplants. This one got a little sun scorched, I think. But I am gonna actually, oh, look at that. Look at the size of this. So I think I'm actually gonna dig it up. Yeah, I'm gonna dig it up and bring it inside. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. Yeah. So, salvias, coleus, and the colocasia. It's very similar to an alocasia. A lot of people are familiar with like elephant ears and whatnot. All right, and just also right over here, you see these dahlias? Ooh, they're so beautiful. I got dahlias in a few places throughout the yard. I remember I got these probably in April, and in April, like, is still our frost date. They put them out in the store and they got hit with frost, but of course the bulb and the roots were still fine. So I just cut off the dead, and here they flushed out. Now I'm gonna show you some more dahlias too. Oh, this is my little niece's garden. So I think the dahlia that's really great in this garden is the yellow one here. I mean, oops, could have deadheaded a little bit, but it's like that sunshine yellow, lots of buds on it, and it's just a cute little clump. She got a few of them around, so we did this in a video earlier this year. You see this baby right here? See these babies? Look at the dahlias on that. It's huge. Oh, hi, bee. Hi. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my word. Yeah, so these are just absolutely fabulous. I have a friend who calls it the perfect flower. So, but yeah, those did very well this year. I might actually like get a cutting or like a bunch of those, because we're gonna get a frost, and I would just, you know, I'm gonna dig up the bulbs and save them because those really did well. But I think we're gonna make an indoor bouquet with some of the dahlias too. These salvias, I mean, I don't know what screams fall other than a dark color like that. The black stem with the purple flowers. It's really pretty. I wonder if I could save these. Those would be kind of neat to use somewhere. But yeah, beautiful purple flowers on black stems. This is a salvia. Oh, excellent plant. Excellent plant to have. All right, and how can I talk about annuals in the garden without mentioning zinnias, right? Like, I have a whole patch of these. They're so cool. They're interesting. My favorite one. Now, some of these, again, they got a little bit hit with some coldness to it, but yeah, ooh, I love that color. And I like how they're like these. They almost can have a cone head, some of them. And then here's the buds. yeah, like here's the buds. Look how gnarly that is. The design on the buds. I actually have some around this tree. I don't know why I didn't bring them around the front of the tree. I don't know why. Next year I'll do that. Maybe I was like planning on putting something else there, but this color is just glorious. This purple. I'm definitely going to invest in more zinnias for next year. And you cannot mention fall annuals without mentioning mums in my area. These are just like little quart-sized ones, bright yellow, but you know, when they're put up against something like the sedum, oh, it's so cute. I did not plant them. Let's see, they're still in their thing. Yeah, I should. I don't know if I'm even gonna plant them. It's so late in the season. You can actually see people who will get like large scale mums, and they would just like put them out in their garden, or they'll put them in like urns or stuff like that. And I gotta switch out that welcome lemon sign that's for the summer. Anyway, focus, Amanda, focus. So again, with the mums, it's like they're just like a classic fall annual, and everybody uses them here. All right, and I guess I could deadhead these a little bit, but this is in my veggie garden here. I got quite a few of them around. They're marigolds. They're supposed to repel pests, and they do have like a little bit of a fragrance to it, but I don't mind it. And I actually need to clean up my veggie garden because, well, don't want stuff laying around very long. But yeah, I mean, marigolds are really, really pretty flower. They have them in orange and even whites. So, and you can start these from seeds. And you know what? This is like one that I got in like a little tiny 12 pack, and it really bushed out. So definitely a good bang for your buck. Yeah, here is actually another type of salvia as well. This performed really great. It's another type of salvia, purple again. One of my favorite colors to use. Oh, and I gotta address this banana plant here. Okay, so, yeah, gosh, I gotta clean all this up. Ooh, not looking good. Anyway, this banana plant, I bought this because I was told that it will actually produce fruit. It said that even on the tag. Well, false advertisement. The guy said to me later, after I purchased it, that, oh, this won't grow fruit. I'm like, what? On the picture it had it. But, I mean, hey, if you like those big tropical leaves and stuff, that's kind of cool. But, yeah, this is not going to survive the winter. I'm actually going to dig this up. I'm going to put my apple tree, which is what they call like an espalier, up against the fence here. So that way my fruits and my veggies could kind of be in the same area, which is nice. Up here, I gotta talk about this. Don't you just love the pot? It's a fern. I love ferns. Oh, this alyssum has just been wonderful. I love the different colors in it, with the dark purples, the light pinks, the whites. Stunning. And I think this was just like one little plug. Right? Yeah. Oh, it was just one little plug, and it did very well. And I don't have these hooked up to drip or anything. So this is another one, an Angelonia. Okay, this Angelonia, I mean, that's a very pretty flower. It almost kind of looks like a small orchid. Yeah, I'm feeling that. I'm really feeling that Angelonia. That's beautiful. Oh, and then right here we have another coleus. This is like a jet black coleus. So this container mixture was a win in my opinion. Well, I did have, look, you could even see some little buds of it. This was a geranium, a coral colored geranium, and the alyssum just like overtook it. But you know what, those three right there, those are good. Those are nice. Kat, how did this happen? How did that happen, Kat? Oh, you're so silly. For the last fall annual are these Impatiens. Like these Impatiens, they were little plugs, right? Like you get like a 6-pack or a 12-pack of them, and they just really expanded. I tucked them underneath these hydrangeas and butterfly bushes, but yeah, you could see like some reminiscences of them still. What happened is this hydrangea kind of flopped over, so you really can't, I mean, you can see it kind of, you know, poking through and stuff, but that turned out really nice. I mean, look at this. This is insane how big they are. I am, like, that is astonishing. Hold on, let me get it from the side. That is absolutely astonishing. Okay, so that was my 10 plus annuals for fall. And if you have any other ones that you like, I'm in zone 6, by the way. If you have any other ones that you are planting or that you like, put it in the comments and let's get some inspiration going on for not only me, but for other people for next year. So I know during the winter we're gonna be, what can I plant, what can I plant? So anyway, if you liked what you saw, hit subscribe. I do outdoor gardening, indoor plants, plant shopping, and all that jazz. So until next time, bye.